Very good. Okay, and how often angels help you on?
Every
Many a
time.
times.
Every time. So tell me one thing, like I will just put on some questions first, okay? So do you think that is it like easy to call angels instead of taking help from God? How many of you believe this thing?
Yes, I believe.
Why? But God and angels, they both
No,
work
I
together,
also
right?
ask God, but most of the times it's like it has been in my subconscious mind that I need to call upon angels. I need to call upon the angels. So,
Hmm.
I don't miss out on, like, I always every day I pray to God, but and
Okay.
I also thank God for everything. But for, like, it has become a habit for me to call upon angels for every single thing. Like,
Very
if
good.
I'm stuck somewhere, so I just keep calling angels.
See,
Very
angels
nice.
are messengers of God, right? So
Correct.
while talking to angels means we are talking to God itself, right?
Correct. Very nice.
So
So it's easy. Like, okay, if we wanted to send some letter to Prime Minister, it's easy to hold the security guard or the what is that?
no.
Um,
Yeah.
um, PA.
All step
Correct.
by step.
Yes. PA.
PAs and messengers type like.
Yes. So we can secretaries. Correct. Secretaries. I was actually thinking of the word. So it's easy to catch the secretary instead of directly PM or president. Okay. So gods are PM, Prime Minister, President, higher authority. And angels are messengers. So if you wanted to send some message, we can send through messengers. But don't do like this that you will not believe in God, because like there are many people, those who think that, okay, if I'll work with angels and not God, like God will not listen to me, angels will listen early. Is that because we have all guardian angels with us? Okay, those who listen to us, those who take care of us, those who know what we want, those who know what we don't want, what is good for us, what is not good for us. Okay, but God is always like us, like a father. Whatever thing will happen, father will not leave us. Correct. So never just think that, okay, God is there or God is not there, angels are listening, angels are not listening. So everyone will believe in God as well as angels. Vaishali ji, you wanted to say something?
No.
Okay. Parul ji, you wanted to say something? Parul Agarwal.
Yes, actually, I completely believe like God has created mothers because He cannot be everywhere. So He has also given us angels. Whenever we need to approach, we don't approach the Father. Angels are always there, and they have been given
Correct.
the work. Yeah.
That's true. So God is everywhere and angels are everywhere. Okay. So who's the most powerful God?
God
What do
is
you
one
believe? God is
and God
one,
is
but there are other groups. Like we have so many faces. Everybody, like there are 45 participants. Everybody have different face. Some is having round, some is having long, some thin, some fatty. Correct. So there are different types of angel, different types of God. So Archangel Michael, everybody know that Archangel Michael we call for protection.
protection.
Okay,
Yes.
like we call Hanumanji. Correct. So
Yes.
Hanumanji and Archangel Michael is almost same. Okay. So whenever you need something, you can call upon Archangel Michael or God Hanuman. Okay. So you can call anyone if you need any of the protection. Hello, Falguni ji. If I'm not wrong, you wanted to say something?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
Ananya, can I say we
Yeah,
do
please.
not know the angel. We do not know the angel, but
Okay.
God has sent you as our angel to
Tell me
introduce
again.
angel in our life. God has
See,
introduced
everybody.
you
Okay.
as
Falguni
angel
ji,
to introduce
I'll
us
tell you one.
angels.
Okay, I'll tell you one thing. Like we all born in different cultures. Some are Muslim, some are Hindu, some Christian. But you know, like when we born, like God never sent any child. Like when we came to this earth, when we take birth, we never comes alone. Like God is our father and mother, right? So do you think that when we will take birth, so God will send us alone कि जाओ तुम दुनिया में और जाके अपने माँ बाप ढूंढ लो? It never happens, right?
No.
So God always sends some of the guardian angels with us. Somebody is having 2 guardian angels, somebody is having 3 guardian angels. So everybody have guardian angels. Only thing is like, if you will not ask your parents, like for example, you're going to school. When we were small, we used to go school. When our pencil and eraser used to finish, we used to ask, Mummy, pencil khatam ho gayi hai, give me. Correct? Or they will not check our pencil box every day, right? Ki, okay, pencil is there, eraser is there or not. So we have to ask, whether it's a God or angels, archangels, we have to ask them that this is the problem I am in, please help me out. Only thing is we should know, okay, for example, if somebody will pray to Hanumanji that I am not getting married, please find a girl for me. Do you think Hanumanji will say, अच्छा रुको मैं आता हूँ नीचे और मैं तुम्हारे लिए लड़की ढूंढता हूँ या लड़का ढूंढता हूँ? Every God, every human being, every angel, archangel have different work to do. Okay, so we have to know that which angel or archangel is duty is what. So we have to know that only, that's it. Okay, so only thing is when you wanted to know about angel or you want help from your guardian angels, what you need to do is you have to ask like this, please guardian. Okay, if nobody knows about any archangel, any angel, the best thing, angels, please help me. I am in so and so situation. Whatever situation you are into, explain and what exactly you want. Okay, they will come and help you out. Okay, if you don't know any angel name, if you don't know which archangel or angel will do so and so work, so just say, angel and archangels, please help me. I am in this situation. Okay, now tell me, like, okay, I'll tell my example once. What happened, like I think Seema, if she joined, she was there in the same course like where I did. So I was in MRT, metro. Network issue, okay. So I was in metro and there was no seat. I was standing, my husband, no, I was sitting with my daughter. My husband was holding my son and he was like, metro was packed, fully packed. So what I did, I didn't call any archangel or angel. I just said like this, please angels help him to get one seat so he can sit with the son, because it was a long journey. And you won't believe, he got just next to me. He was sitting next to my husband. After 2 or 3 minutes, he got a seat and he was sitting next to me. Do you believe that in a fully packed metro and only one person get up and he went and my husband was sitting next to me? So it happens. Like, don't call any of the angels. Just say like that. Like we are in some trouble, we never call Hanumanji, aap aao meri madad kar do. Sherawali ma, aap aao meri madad kar do. We never call like that. We just call Bhagwanji, please meri madad kar do. I am in so and so situation. So we have to do like this only. If you don't know any of the angels, you just call upon that. But if you know them properly, for example, if you need protection, Archangel Michael. If you are finding something is lost, then you can call Archangel Chamuel. Okay. So if you know the purpose of some of the archangels or angels, it's good. They will work more faster. Okay. Anybody have any query or any doubt here? Okay. How you all will tell? I muted everyone.
Mom, how many angels are there?
Tell me again.
How many angels are there? I'm new for this.
It's lakhs, crores, like Bhagwanji are there, no? Lakhs and crores, like that. But there are known and unknown. Same like God. How many angels? Okay. So there are so many, but known are 12 or 15 only, like God. Okay. Like I think Vijaya Lakshmi ji, or like not Vijaya Lakshmi ji. There are many people, those who belong from other states also, like Tamil Nadu, Hyderabad, and so every God is having a different name. Correct? There. Okay. And even the Roop also is different, like Hanuman, not Hanuman, yeah, Hanumanji even. Hanumanji and Ganeshji, normally you never see, only South Indian people, they saw Hanumanji or Ganeshji black in color. Normally in North India, if you go, you will see all white God, or the like Krishnji will be blue, Shivji will be blue. Otherwise, if you come to Singapore, if you go to North India, normally all the statues will be black. So it depends upon culture to culture, which God they are calling. So archangels and angels are so many. Like we have guardian angels also. So we all have different guardian angels. It's not we have same. Okay. So there are so many, but they are known. Like in Hindu cultures, this is Shivji, Hanumanji, Krishnji, Sherawali Ma, Durga Ma, Kali Ma. So like that, there are Archangel Metatron, Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Raphael. So there are 12 to 15 which are known. So people call them normally for help. Okay. Vijayaji, you wanted to say something?
Yeah, I put it in the chat box, ma'am, right now.
Okay, done. Chat. 20 chats. How many angels? How to call archangel? There is any specific prayer? Yes, there are specific prayer for every archangel or angel. Otherwise, there is one simple way. You just say, hold your hands and say, angels. Like for example, you wanted to ask help from Archangel Michael or Archangel Raphael. You have to say Archangel Michael or Archangel Raphael. Please help me. I am in so and so situation. Please help me and guide me. Buddhism भी आता है. What do you mean by Buddhism भी आता है?
जो बौद्ध धर्म का होता है मैम, जो बुद्ध को मानते हैं लोग, उसको भी एंजल मानते हैं. जो बौद्ध धर्म की शिक्षाएं नहीं होती.
बौद्ध धर्म हो, जैन धर्म हो, हिंदू हो, मुसलमान हो, क्रिश्चियन हो, सभी भगवान जी एक हैं. मैंने अभी क्या बताया, जब नॉर्थ इंडिया जाते हैं सारे भगवान जी गोरे होते हैं, साउथ इंडिया जाते हैं सारे भगवान जी काले होते हैं, है ना. तो बट है तो भगवान जी ना. अब उन्हें गोरा करो, काला करो, नीला करो, पीला करो, रहेंगे भगवान जी. कुछ लोग कहते हैं लक्ष्मी माँ की अगर आप मूर्ति गोल्डन कलर की लाओगे तो बहुत सारा पैसा मिलेगा. अगर लक्ष्मी जी की मूर्ति अगर मेरे घर में सफेद है, मेरे घर पैसा नहीं आएगा? आएगा. क्या चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है? हमारी श्रद्धा. बट क्या होता है, कलर्स और इन चीज का इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, जो चीज चेंज कर देते हैं. ठीक है. बट काम सभी करते हैं. कुछ धीरे करेंगे, कुछ देर से करेंगे, कुछ जल्दी करेंगे. ठीक है. तो अब चाहे बौद्ध धर्म हो, मुस्लिम धर्म हो, एंजल्स, गार्डियन एंजल्स का कोई धर्म नहीं है. वो सभी धर्मों के लोगों को मानते हैं. ओके.
Okay, Ananya, for each situation, different angel or one angel for everything?
Fine. Different angels.
Okay, Gabriel and all are like for each and every different purposes?
Every different. Like Archangel Chamuel is for finding things, Archangel Michael protection. Okay, I'm just concentrating on the chat. People are writing, so I'm just looking that also. So sorry.
So how we will come to know this? That which angel to call for what purpose?
For that, so you all need to learn about angels.
Okay.
Well, now, yes. Okay. So why I call everyone here? So I will just start here so you all can see, and I will tell you what I want to detox. Okay, how many of you are doing body detox in daily life? Who drinks lemon water, lemon tea? So we all do detoxification of our body, right? Some people do detoxification with the vrat fasting, correct? We don't eat, someday we eat fruits, so the whatever toxins are there, it will go, correct? So detoxification with the angels are like this only, how I'm telling you that we have to ask the prayer. But only thing is now I will just explain everyone. Just give me 1 second, I'll close the chat. Okay. So I'll mute everyone now. Okay, but you can unmute later, okay? Whenever you wanted to, you can just raise your hand and then unmute. So what is detoxification? Detoxification is when we wanted to detox any of the unwanted energies, unwanted thing from our life, emotions, that is called detoxification, okay? So whenever you want, like if you are emotional, so there are many therapies you all learn, how to do body detox, how to do emotional detox. Detox means how to remove the negativity. I always share the switch words in the group. Maximally, I'll share switch words and some remedies if somebody asks me anything. So what is the best way to release a thing early is to take the help of the angel. Just 1 second, I'll bring water. So detoxification is focusing on your emotional and spiritual method. You can detox your body. How we can detox our body, that we will learn now. So what you all can expect when you will detox your body or detox your system, detox your emotion, whatever I'm going to tell you now. Your detox experience will depend on how much chemical or toxic build you have accumulated. For example, there are many people in our surroundings, those who are alcoholic, they smoke. But there are people, those who smoke or drink occasionally. So who need more detoxification? Those who drink daily or sometime? Sometime, correct? Not daily. Okay, asked you on mute. Apurva, you wanted to say something? No, okay. So now, when we want like like for example, Hanumanji is there. Like Hanumanji, Archangel Michael is there. Now there is one archangel named Metatron. What happened to this? Just 1 second. Yeah, there is one archangel whose name is Archangel Metatron. What he do? He do cleansing. He do balancing. He'll like when we were small, we used to, like when we were in school, the mathematic teachers teach us that Pythagorean theorem and rectangle, triangle, different shapes. So Archangel Metatron symbol is actually Metatron, like so many shapes together. It's like a so many pentagons together and it's connected. Okay. So before starting more archangels, can we do all meditation for some time? It's a 5 minutes meditation. How many of you are ready? Those who are outside, what they can do, just close your eyes. Okay, you all will sit in meditation mudra like this. Yes. Donna, join your hips like this. Yes, very good. Keep on your knees, everyone. Don't sit like this, like my daughter. Keep on your knee. When I'll tell my daughter to do meditation, what she will do? Because I'll show her like this every time. So she will sit like this only. Because Mama told like this, she will not keep on knee, she will sit like this only. The Mama is okay, we can sit like this also. I said, okay, you sit like this. So I will share one video. Well, my voice is not so much melodious, but you all can listen and focus on that, okay?
Sit comfortably.
Is voice coming?
Relax.
Is the meditation voice was coming to everyone? Anybody can just unmute and tell me?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's coming.
Okay, done. I'll just start the meditation audio again and video. Thank you. Now just close your eyes, be in meditative pose and just do meditation.
Sit comfortably. Relax. Relax. Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Archangel Metatron, please cleanse and balance all my chakras using your sacred beam of light. Visualize a pure white beam of light coming down towards you from heaven. Relax and watch as a Metatron guides this healing energy through the top of your head. See or feel yourself filled with pure white light. Sense this energy, filling of yourself with the purity of angelic love. You may see some of ancient symbols being sent through the beam, so if you don't allow them to work their healing magic within your soul, you may recognize some of the symbols and other may be new to you. It's important for you to understand. Angels are working for you. You should trust in the angels and God. Allow the beam to pass through your root chakra, which is the area at the base of your spine. As it transforms into ruby red color, this red light clears away blockages and fully awaken your root chakra. Archangel Metatron is sending this light to your sacral chakra. It's in vibrant orange color. Feel that orange light dissolving all darkness and healing your sacral chakra. Now a yellow color light is going to your solar plexus, dissolving all your negativity, darkness, healing your solar plexus. A beautiful green and pink color light going to your heart chakra, dissolving all the darkness, healing your heart chakra. You are healed. A beautiful sky blue light moving to your throat chakra. Feel the beautiful light. Now your throat chakra is healed. Imagine a dark blue color moving to your third eye, dissolving all the darkness, healing your third eye, clearing all the blockages. Imagine a purple and white color light on your crown chakra, clearing all the darkness, healing your crown chakra. Relax, relax, relax. When you feel your chakras are cleansed, healed, and you are ready to open your eyes, thank you, Archangel Metatron, for this healing and clearing. Please continue working with me as I release all old energies that have held me back. Now I am ready to embrace my light and follow the guidance of God. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You all can open your eyes now whenever you are ready. Hope you all are feeling light now. You all can unmute and share your experience if you wanted to share.
बहुत अच्छा लगा मैम. मीन्स ऐसा लगता है कि हाथ में शावर हो रहा है, सिर पर कुछ शावर आ रहा है.
Very good.
It was nice feeling.
Very good.
मैम रिक्वेस्ट है आपका, ये व्हाट्सएप पे डाल दीजिएगा ना, ये जो वीडियो है. वेरी नाइस
ऑडियो.
हाँ यस यस मैम यस, डाल दीजिए ना प्लीज. एवरीडे करेंगे तो काफी फायदा मिल जाएगा हम लोगों को.
यस नो डाउट फायदा मिलेगा, बट मुझे ना थोड़ा सा ये लगता है बस जब मैं बोलती हूँ तो मेरी आवाज उतनी मेलोडियस नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने शेयर नहीं किया है, बट आई विल शेयर.
नेचुरल वे पे ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है मैडम, नेचुरल वे पे ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है।
मैं सेंड करती हूँ आप लोगों को, ठीक है?
थैंक यू।
ओके,
Thank you so much, Yashika ji. It was beautiful meditation. अभी लग रहा है सो जाऊं. I mean, feeling so relaxed.
नहीं,
So
sleeping
relaxed.
mode,
और
that
आपकी
means
voice is so wonderful.
अभी हम रेडियो
Your
के
voice
एक्सेप्ट
is so
करने के लिए
wonderful.
रेडी है।
okay.
Please share it. Please
So,
share it. It's amazing. Seriously.
okay, I will share with everyone in the group. Okay. Now meditation is done. That means our chakras are almost balanced. If those who did this meditation, that means their chakras are balanced. If they were like able to cope up with the meditation and see all the colors. Okay. Now we will continue. Okay, where I was. Now we all will do prayers again. You have to all close your eyes. Okay, when I will say, then. Okay, so how many of you see the white light?
I saw.
मी
I
बारिश हो रही थी, उसमें बारिश हो रही थी सब।
Okay, how many of you feel some vibrations or air next to you, that some all of a sudden some breeze is coming, somebody touched you? How many of you felt that? No one.
I just felt some beautiful aroma around me, like something fragrance like that.
Who is speaking this one? Tell me name.
Parul Agarwal.
Okay, those who felt some fragrance, that means some of the other angel was around you. Okay. And all of a sudden also when we are going out somewhere, then we feel some fragrance, some good fragrance is coming all of a sudden.
I felt vanilla smell.
You felt vanilla smell. Very good. Well, I am burning here lemongrass, not vanilla today, but yes, lemongrass is burning next to me. Okay. Those who didn't switch on the cameras, they can switch on if they can. It's good. Okay.
Yashika, one more thing.
Yeah, please.
I could see my son, like my son is in hostel, so I could see him.
Because you're missing him. Who's this? Niharika ji?
Yeah.
See, with the name of a son only, I can tell who's speaking. Because you're missing him. See, our kids are our life. Okay. So if they are far, obviously we will miss them. And when we are in meditative pose, no, then at the time, definitely we will see those people, those like to whom we love a lot. Okay. So just work on your heart chakra more, what I will suggest you. Okay.
Okay.
Just give me 1 second. Somebody who attended Arushi's workshop yesterday. Anyone attended? Shikha ji? Okay, she is not there. They had the same this meditation audio yesterday, correct? Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay. So for chakra cleansing, we can call Archangel Metatron whenever you wanted to cleanse your chakra. Cleansing, balancing is different. Cleansing, when there's so much of kachra in our home, right? Then we do cleansing. We call by. Even we call by ourselves. यार भाई ने साफ नहीं किया है, we will call. Okay? तो हम क्या करेंगे? Whenever we wanted to cleanse our body, cleanse our chakras. When our chakras are cleansed or balanced, what will happen? Everything will be very smooth, very nice. Everything will be fine. If our chakras are not balanced, there will be some other hassle will be there. Like if root chakra will not be balanced, then what we will feel? There is lack of finances. Financial issues will be there. If our heart chakra is blocked or not cleansed, what will happen? We will be so emotional all the time. We'll feel like crying only. Okay. So whenever you wanted to just cleanse your chakra, then you have to think about Archangel Metatron. You have to ask his help and you have to say how you will say. Archangel Metatron, आ जाओ मेरी जरा चक्रा cleanse कर जाओ. नहीं. We have to say with full of love, Archangel Metatron, please come and cleanse my chakras, make my chakras neat, clean, so I'll be fine. So I will tell some prayers. So we all will close eyes and we'll say this prayer. Okay, just give me 1 second. Today my technician is not with me, my husband. He's inside. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, so everybody just close your eyes. I don't know what happened to my video. It's not on. Okay, somebody is unmute. Please mute yourself as something is happening in my laptop. I can't mute. I think Falguniji is unmute. Okay, just mute. Are you all able to listen me? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll just mute again if I can. Yes, I can do. Yes. So now everyone, close your eyes. We will just cleanse our chakra and you all can just think that he's cleansing. Feel that. Okay. Feel some energy. Okay. So now Archangel Metatron, please cleanse and balance all of my chakras using your sacred beam of light. He brings an energetic and spiritual balance to your chakra systems whenever you feel stuck, blocked, or clouded. Ask Archangel Metatron for healing all your chakras. He's sending his sacred beam of light. He's cleansing all your chakras. When you all feel that your chakras are cleansed, just say thank you, and open your eyes. So now you all know what Metatron can do. Archangel Metatron can cleanse and balance our chakras. Can we start, everyone? Okay, some are still doing, just wait, okay? When you all are ready, just raise your hand or just say yes, then I will start. Okay. Okay. Done. Okay. So there are like, somebody asked me, I forgot the name, but who was saying, somebody was asking how many and what all archangels will do. So I will give a small introduction of all the archangels here. Not all, but few I will tell. Now there is Archangel Raphael. What Archangel Raphael will do? Archangel Raphael is a healing angel. Okay. She will heal anything. Okay. When like, for example, we all have babies, I think maximally. Few are unmarried here. So those who have babies, some of the babies like all the time, somebody is having cold, somebody is having leg pain, somebody is having cough, fever, right? So you can call Archangel Raphael. So there's a prayer we all will do now for the healing of everyone. Close your eyes and everybody will say, Archangel Raphael, please release me from these cords of addictions now. Please take this item of my aura into the light. Please heal each and every body part, every cell of my body. Make my body healthy. and active. And if you wanted to add on anything, you can add on. Toxis free. Now say thank you, thank you, thank you. So Archangel Raphael is a healing angel. Now comes other archangel, that is Archangel Michael. We started with Archangel Michael only. So he's a protection archangel. He will protect us from everything. Okay. So if you wanted to pray Archangel Michael, if you want this document, I will share with you all. So Archangel Michael, what Archangel Michael will do? Protection, remove negativity, psychic attacks from our life, from our body. So how you will pray to him? Archangel Michael, please be here with me now. I ask you to vacuum from my body, my home, office, or wherever you want to vacuum or remove all the negative energies, lower energies, and suction away the lower energy of a fear. Release all darkness to awaken the light. I ask you to now lift away all traces of negativity, leaving behind only love I want. Whenever you are ready to open your eyes, you can. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just 1 second. Okay. So how many of you are repeating the prayers with me? Very good. Very nice. Very good. Well, if you repeat these prayers only, you'll feel more good. Don't worry. Very good. I can see many hand raised. Apology is going somewhere. Apology, where you are traveling now?
On my way home now. I was out.
Okay. Okay. So now we did Archangel Michael. Then tell me, who is the Archangel of Beauty? Who will tell me this? Those who did Archangel facial, they will not tell, others will tell. Who is the Archangel of Beauty? Who helps in beauty? All are ladies, a few are gents also. Well, either gents or ladies, everybody wants beauty here. Archangel Zophiel, very good. Premlata ji.
Jophiel.
Archangel?
Jophiel.
Zophiel. Archangel. Yes, Archangel Zophiel. So Archangel Zophiel helps us to beautify our body, our skin, everything, even our hair. So now Archangel Zophiel prayer. Can we do? Who wanted to do? And who don't want to do? Tell me now. Who don't want to do? Okay.
I have my salon, so I really need it.
Yes, we all need it. It's no one, I think nobody will be there, those who don't want. Okay, so everybody wanted to be beautiful. It's not beautiful only with the skin. We should be beautiful with our heart also. Okay, so when we will do prayer, we will include our heart also, our small little heart. Okay. So dear Archangel, yeah, please.
या मैम जो हम जो एंजल को बुला रहे हैं, तो एंजल का साथ में स्टैचू होना जरूरी है हाथ में, या इमेजिनरी भी किया तो भी चलेगा?
इमेजिनरी चलेगा।
एंजल मिलते हैं ना, छोटे एंजल्स मिलते हैं।
कोई जरूरत नहीं है। अगर इफ यू वांट यू कैन कीप इट। आई एम नॉट सेइंग कोई जरूरत नहीं है मतलब कि सारे एंजल्स रखने की जरूरत नहीं है। देयर आर सो मेनी लैक्स ऑफ गॉड्स, वी डोंट कीप एवरीवन, राइट? सारे नहीं रखते ना घर में हम लोग। अब अगर हम घर में भगवान जी की मूर्तियां और फोटोज ही रखेंगे तो अपन कहाँ रहेंगे? वी डोंट हैव एनी प्लेस टू लिव देन, राइट? सो जिनसे आपका कनेक्शन बनता है, लाइक आई हैव Merlin, I have a few small angels. I ordered few because in Singapore it's hard to get angels, so I have to order from USA, और अभी इंडिया जैसे नहीं आना हो रहा है तो I can't get it. So otherwise it's hard to find in Singapore because they believe in archangels and angels, but they more believe in their Chinese gods. सो वो मिल जाएंगे आसानी से, बट यहाँ पे एंजल्स आर्कएंजल्स मिलना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है. Okay, so Archangel Zophiel. If you wanted to keep angels or archangels in your home, you can keep it. If only like not archangel, Saint Expedite, you cannot keep it with your Bhagwan ji. English gods, try to not to merge them in one place. It's not कि उनकी लड़ाइयाँ हो जाएंगी कि यार तू तो इंडिया का गॉड है और तू बाहर का गॉड है, मैं तो नहीं तेरे साथ रह रहा. No, it will not happen like this. But again, just try to make 2 altars. Okay. In my home, I have 2 altars. 2 altars like this. ऊपर भगवान जी हैं, भगवान जी का एक टेम्पल जो वॉल माउंटेड होता है, एंड नीचे मैंने अपने एक क्या कहते हैं उसे, कॉर्नर ही कहेंगे, राइट. कॉर्नर के ऊपर मैंने अपने इंग्लिश गॉड्स रख रखे. तो इट्स अप एंड डाउन, सो मैं कभी भी किसी को ना भूलूं. इट्स लाइक दैट कि मुझे हमेशा दोनों का पता रहे कि अच्छा ये भी हेल्प कर रहे हैं और ये भी हेल्प कर रहे हैं. याशिका, यू शुड नॉट गो फॉर वन. ओके, so now Archangel Zophiel. Okay, everybody make a wish. It's 1717. How we will make a wish? When we will see a angelic number. Then say thank you, thank you, thank you after making a wish. Okay.
अनन्या जी, मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछूं?
आप पहले बताओ हो कौन?
मयूरी. मयूरी
जी, बोलो बोलो बोलो.
हाँ, मुझे ये पूछना था, अगर हम कोई विश के लिए सेंट एक्सपीडाइट की पिक्चर रखते हैं और उनकी प्रेयर करते हैं, तो बाद में वो पिक्चर वही उसी जगह पे रखना है या हम लोग उसको किसी ड्रॉवर में रख सकते हैं, या एक कोई कबर्ड जो अच्छा मतलब ऐसे भगवान के लिए यूज करते हैं, ऐसे कबर्ड में रखे तो चलता है?
मतलब अब मुझे बताओ मैं कैसे जवाब दूं? मैं याशिका की तरह जवाब दूं या बाकी लोगों की तरह जवाब दूं?
नहीं, आप याशिका जी की तरह ही जवाब दो प्लीज.
सॉरी, जस्ट जोकिंग, जोक्स अपार्ट. रख सकते हो एंड मतलब अंदर भी रख सकते हो. इफ यू हैव अ स्पेस, बिग स्पेस जहां पर आप अपने सारे डीटीज रख सकते हो, यू कैन कीप इट आउटसाइड. अदरवाइज जब आपने वैसे जब ऑल्टर लगाते हैं, जैसे हम माता रानी का ऑल्टर लगाते हैं नवरात्रि में, राइट, तो हम लोग उन्हें नहीं लाते उतने दिन तक. बट अगर आप ऑल्टर लगा रहे हो 7 दिन की विश का या 9 दिन की विश का, जितने भी दिन की विशेष का, उतने टाइम कोशिश करो कि ना हटे. मगर अगर हट रहे हैं तो हटा सकते हो. अगर जैसे काफी लोगों के घर में अलाउड नहीं होता है, करेक्ट?
यस यस, सेम प्रॉब्लम, सेम. यस,
तो हटा सकते हो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. कैंडल बुझने तक का वेट करो, उसके बाद हटा लो. ठीक है,
ओके ओके. तो मतलब हम ड्रॉवर में उनको रख सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. मैं इसके लिए ना उनको नहीं रख पाती थी, ये मुझे पता नहीं था एक्चुअली.
रख सकते हो अंदर. अब वो ये थोड़ा ना कह रहे हैं अभी तुमने मेरी पूजा करी है, मुझे बाहर के अंदर क्यों छुपा दिया है. नहीं, उनको भी पता है कि दिस पर्सन इज हैविंग सम इशू. अब मेरे सारे गॉड्स को पता है कि अच्छा भाई याशिका के पास इतनी बड़ी जगह नहीं है कि सबको रख सके, तो व्हाट आई विल डू, जब मेरे काम हो जाते हैं नॉर्मली, आर्कएंजल माइकल, सेंट एक्सपीडाइट, गणपति बाबा एंड माय मंदिर एंड स्मॉल एंजल्स, वो हमेशा एक ही जगह रहते हैं मेरे. बट बाकी चीजें चेंज हो जाती हैं. अदर थिंग्स आई विल चेंज इट. तो सभी ये कर सकते हैं, है ना? चलो, हाँ जी, डन. मयूरी, ओके.
आपके ऑल्टर का पिक बता दो याशिका.
क्या बता दूं?
आपके ऑल्टर का एक पिक बता दो.
अपने ऑल्टर का पिक? ओके, लेट मी सी. आई हैव टू गो. ओके, लेट मी सी इफ आई कैन शो विद माय
इन द ग्रुप.
हाँ, otherwise I will share in the group. I'll show my mandir and my altar all together. It's just up and down. Okay, I'll share the picture. हाँ जी.
आर्कएंजल माइकल मेरे को कहाँ मतलब मैं ले सकती हूँ, कहाँ से?
देखो, there are many dealers, और otherwise you can just search on Amazon also. ठीक है, तो Amazon से
वहाँ से लिया तो चलता है, वहाँ से लिया तो चलेगा?
चलेगा, बट डिपेंड्स कि अगर वो मतलब नकली ना हो.
तो हाउ डू वी, आप सजेस्ट करो अगर कहीं एड्रेस.
मैं विकास जी का नंबर देती हूँ आपको.
हाँ प्लीज.
विकास जी हमारे ग्रुप में ही है
क्या?
हाँ जी,
ये जो आर्कएंजल जो
नंबर डालिए. मैं नंबर्स देती हूँ विकास जी का सबको. ठीक है ना, विकास जी से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. विकास जी देते हैं. एंड इफ
चैट में.
ओके, दीप्ति, you are here, right? Okay, Deepti is having one, like I'm not advertising about her, I ordered. That's why I'm telling. So I'm not advertising anyone here. Okay. Nobody paid me for advertisement. Okay. I'm just telling because I like that. Deepti is having a beautiful Lakshmi ji ke pair and like mitti ke. I think mitti hai, I think wo. And upar diya hai. If somebody want, you can contact Deepti or you can go to her Facebook page. And I like it. So मैंने अभी 4 पेयर ऑर्डर किए हैं. So if somebody
terracotta. Terracotta.
Okay, मतलब I don't know what is that, but yes, जो भी है वो सुंदर बहुत है. I like it actually. जो मेरी mentor हैं, whom I like a lot and I follow her and I do all the courses from her. So I saw in her video first time. तो मुझे तब से मैं fascinated हूँ कि मुझे वो चाहिए थे. मैंने यहाँ सिंगापुर में भी पता करे थे कि if somebody can arrange, but they said कि नहीं अभी तो नहीं मिलेंगे. Like you have to order, then it will come from India. तो मुझे कल रात, I think कल रात ही मुझे Facebook पे दिखे तो I pinged her, but I didn't know that at the time कि same Deepti है. Then she pinged me on my personal. अच्छा, you only texted me on Messenger. I said yes. So if somebody want, you can order. It's beautiful and it's I'm not saying cheap, pocket friendly.
Yes.
So you all can buy. It's nice. Okay. Chalo. Now we will do prayer. Okay. Archangel
Vikas ji's number, ma'am.
Who is asking Vikas ji's number? Sudha ji, I will share. Okay. Now I'll mute. Okay, everyone. I will share Vikas ji's number. Okay. Well, Vikas ji is not giving me any commission. Remember that. That's why I'm giving direct number. Don't refer my name. Don't tell me. Then don't tell him also that you ordered because Yashika told me. Please. Okay. Because he's not giving any commission to me. So
he shared Deepti ji's number as well, Aranya ji.
Whose number?
Yashika ji.
Yeah. Deepti's number I'll share.
आपके नाम से हमें डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा.
नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिलेगा. वो मुझे ही नहीं देते हैं. वो आपको भी नहीं देंगे. किसी को नहीं देंगे. वो मुझे भी नहीं देते हैं. वो उनको इतने सारे मैं देती हूँ क्लाइंट्स अपने ग्रुप के. रूबी जी ordered I think something from him if I'm not wrong. Yeah,
yes, I ordered. Yeah,
I think many people. I think I ordered for Richa ji also from him only. There are many people.
मैंने भी किया था. मुझे और सामान ऑर्डर करना है उनको. He has good stuff. He has very good stuff.
Yes, he's having a good stuff and not much expensive. I must say that.
Yeah.
So even my crystals also is waiting for me in India at my mother's place. Oh, I'll go there. Even I'm waiting to go. Okay, now chalo, we'll all do prayers. We'll finish off the session after that. Okay. So everybody just close your eyes. Archangel Zophiel, I pray that you surround me with love as my body and mind absorb your healings. I will feel stress. It's disappear. If I feel ugly, it's disappear. My body, my heart, my mind is beautiful. Please make each and every cell, each and every body part of mine beautiful, healthy, glowing. So everybody can love me, bless me. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
मैम ये प्रे भी ग्रुप पे भेज दीजिए. जो भी प्रे है वो प्रे कीजिएगा.
बिल्कुल.
बहुत अच्छा प्रे है.
ग्रुप में नहीं भेजूंगी. वेल दिस इज मॉडिफाइड प्रेयर बाय मी. नॉर्मल प्रेयर कुछ और है. ठीक है. आई विल शेयर दैट. ओके. आई विल कीप मॉडिफाई समथिंग और अदर थिंग. ओके. तो मैं ग्रुप में नहीं भेजूंगी. दोज who enrolled and those who are here, as 90 people enrolled and 55 joined, 6 already left. Okay. Now somebody joined. I don't know who, but somebody joined. So I will share with them. Just ping me on my email ID or somewhere, or I just do one thing. I'll just share this PPT. I made one PPT which I'm not showing you on screen. I will share that PPT because I was confused how to share. I don't want that I'll pray something else instead of this PPT. So I didn't share. Okay. So I'll share this PPT with you all.
Thank you.
Okay. So now,
मैं एक बता सकती हूँ आपको.
जी बिल्कुल सीमा.
मयूरी अगेन.
मयूरी. अच्छा बोलिए. मयूरी.
मैम ये सेशन ना मैं इंटरनेट की वजह से ना थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन करी, पर मैम ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि वैसे मुझे थोड़ा बहुत एंजल्स का नॉलेज है, तो मुझे ये सुन के सब बहुत अच्छा लगा। तो ऐसे ही आप अगर किस मतलब सब टैरो रीडर्स के लिए अगर ऐसा करते हो कि उनके एक्सपीरियंस वो शेयर करे। अभी मैं फिलहाल टैरो रीडर हूँ मतलब, पर फिर भी मैं लर्न कर रही हूँ, फिर भी मैं सीख रही हूँ। तो मुझे भी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस आए हैं, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा अगर मैं आपसे कुछ शेयर कर पाऊँ तो।
अभी करना तो अभी कर दो, कोई बात नहीं।
अभी तो मतलब मैं ना ऐसे पॉइंट वाइज लिख के फिर मैं एक आध बार आपसे पर्सनल पे भी शेयर कर दूंगी, पर बहुत सुंदर एक्सपीरियंसेस आए मैम।
यस, रिसेंटली मेरे भी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे एक्सपीरियंस हैं। मतलब मुझे कभी कभी लगता है यार, मतलब अगर मैं एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूंगी तो लोग सोचेंगे पागल कहीं के अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करती रहती है।
नहीं मैम, तो एक टैरो रीडर दूसरे टैरो रीडर से तो डेफिनेटली शेयर कर सकता है, क्योंकि हम लोग एक दूसरे को समझ सकते हैं।
आप शेयर करो, मैं तो बोलूँ शेयर कीजिए उससे।
मैं बात बता दूं,
एक बात बता दो मैम, हमें भी अच्छा लगेगा आपको कुछ।
अभी हम लोग टोटल 51 लोग हैं यहाँ पर, करेक्ट? तो हम 51 लोग, I don't know, like see, I think you all know, I never force or tell anyone to share experiences. Whatever workshops you are taking from me or you are taking healings from me, I never say. Okay? Why I don't say? It's up to you. If you wanted to share, you can. See, Donna is here. She's from USA. First, she'll share with me. Then she'll share in the group. I don't say ki share in the group or share with me. If she wanted to share with me, she'll share with me. If she wanted to share in group, it's everyone. It's everybody's choice. So I don't say that. But yes, if you share things about like healings, gods, archangels, angels, what will happen? They will be happy. Okay, they are like spreading my name, right? We can give gratitude like this only. It's not that we will buy a fancy dress for the god or archangels and angels. We will spend some money on them. No, we cannot do anything. What we can do, we can just show gratitude. We can just spread their name, so people will come to know what they did. Okay, chalo, I'll share one small example. I have a son of 3 years. I have a daughter of 5 years. Okay, both kids are small. My son, like you people may think that okay, yaar, iski baatein nahi sunta to like kya hai? Okay, but like as he's just 3 years, he's quite naughty, not quite very naughty, as he's a boy also. And like top thing is boy and small, younger son. So younger son, elder daughter. Elder daughter is always like good, butter, cream. They are nice. But those who are younger, they are more notorious, mischievous, and very naughty. I know this thing. So my son never listens to me. It's not he don't listen. He disobey me. No, it's like because he's younger, so he don't listen. He will say, "Mama, you do. You are big. You do." So like two days back, what happened? Like I was sitting and I was making some notes. Okay, then I was quite tired. And I was thinking, I was feeling so thirsty at the time. My bottle was finished at the time. So I told my son, Aniket, can you please bring me a water bottle from Mama Papa room? First he said, no, you go, you bring. He told me like this directly. I said, okay. Then I just closed my eyes like this only. And I just told dragons, okay? Dragons, please make him more obedient so he can listen to me. And please tell him to bring the water bottle. I'm really thirsty. I just told like this and I started working. I asked Aniket again, Aniket, can you please bring water bottle for me? He looked at me and he said, okay, which room? I said, Mama Papa room. He said, okay. He went, he bring the water bottle and he is in a habit of throwing things. Like he'll say catch and he'll throw. He don't see it's a glass, it's a plastic, it's a aluminum. He'll just throw, catch. But on that day, he came and he handed over to me. He just gave in my hand. And I was smiling, wow. Like what happened just now? It's a miracle. Then I told two of my friends, yeah, this happened today. You should try on your kids too. Then they said, yeah, we will do it. Because every mother wants their kids to be obedient, right? So those who have kids and they are not obedient, work with the dragons, any dragon. Just pray to them, ask them, Okay, so just do it. You will feel the change, and just then you can tell me, Yashika, this worked. Okay, so now this is done. My experience, a small experience, and I told about the wolf in the group. That bird was not working, but still my bird is working, still moving, still chirping, is making sounds every day. Okay. So now tell me one thing. You can just say yes. My son is. Just give me 1 second. Can I check the chat? Somebody sent it something in chat. Not somebody. I'm having a 26 S's. My son is obedient or not obedient?
She actually missed writing not. So
even,
yeah.
Yes, even you won't believe sometime I miss writing not, because I don't want no in my dictionary. I want God will give me so much of powers and I can say all the time yes instead of saying no. Sometimes I wanted to say anything, just don't do. Instead of don't do, it will go do. So it happens with me also. That's why I was writing like what she is writing. Okay, not. Okay, you can just pray. First you pray like this. Try with a small thing. Don't think कि आज ही मैं छड़ी चलाऊंगी and he will be fine. No, just try with a small thing. Like for example, if you want chapati from the kitchen, first pray. Tell your son, can you please bring chapati? If he is not bringing, for example, anything, just try that whether he is doing that work or not. And don't do for just trying and testing. Oh, I'm just testing the dragon, whether the dragon will work with me or not. No, just try, pray nicely and do it. Okay. Now, tell me, you wanted to do detox prayer for the alcohol now or for the emotions? To balance the emotions?
याशिका, I want to, मतलब क्या चीज है like जैसे हम हमारे बच्चों को सेफ रख सकें. My elder one is in college, तो हम नेगेटिव थिंग्स से दूर रख सकें, क्या रहेगा उसके लिए?
Who will answer this question? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Who will answer this question? Barkha ji. Please, Barkha ji, tell me which archangel will work with you.
Yeah, Archangel Michael.
Very good. So
Archangel Michael.
Yes, very good. So who asked this question? I missed that. I think Roli ji or I think Niharika.
Yes, actually मैं बाहर हूँ मैम, तो मैंने कुछ सुना कुछ नहीं सुना. That's why I'm asking.
Archangel Michael. You have to pray with Archangel Michael. Yeah, Barkha ji.
हाँ नहीं, एक मैं बात बताना चाहती हूँ. Every day I travel 10 kilometers on a bike with my husband. So before sitting, I invite Archangel Michael to protect us throughout the journey.
Very good. But actually, you know, like it's good to invoke the energies of God, Goddess, archangels, and angels. They work very nicely. If you will invoke, if you'll ask the help, then only they will come and help you. Otherwise, they will not interfere in our life. Whatever the case is. If you are like, for example, somebody is dying also, then also archangels, angels, God, Goddess, they will not come. You have to ask the help. Then
yes, मैम मुझे इसका एक एक्सपीरियंस आया है, क्या मैं शेयर कर सकती हूँ? मयूरी अगेन.
हाँ जी, प्लीज.
हाँ मैम, 2 years बिफोर हम लोग ना, मैं नासिक में रहती हूँ और मेरी एक मदर इन लॉ, मतलब मेरे हस्बैंड की मामी जी, वो एक्सपायर हुए. तो हम लोग नाइट में ट्रैवल करके, मतलब मॉर्निंग में पहुंचे वहां, फिर उनका फ्यूनरल वगैरह हो गया और हम वापस खाना खा के वहां से निकले. कोई भी सोया नहीं. मेरे हस्बैंड जो ड्राइव कर रहे थे वो भी सोए नहीं. तो मुझे बहुत टेंशन होने लगा कि अभी इनको अगर रास्ते में नींद आती तो कैसे होगा. तो मैं, मेरे हस्बैंड, मेरे फादर इन लॉ और मेरे एक ब्रदर इन लॉ थे बड़े हमारे साथ में कार में. तो बैठने से पहले मैंने आर्कएंजल माइकल को प्रे किया कि आर्कएंजल माइकल हमको ना अच्छे से, मतलब बोलते हैं ना हम लोग मराठी में बात है, सुखरूप घर पे हमको पहुंचा दो. कोई भी अगर तकलीफ हो तो हमको ज्यादा तकलीफ मत होने दो अगर आए तो. तो ऐसे मैंने प्रे करके गाड़ी में बैठ गए हम लोग और हमारा जर्नी शुरू हुआ। तो मैंने जैसे बोला कि रात में कोई सोया नहीं था, तो सबको नींद आने लगी गाड़ी में जो बैठे थे, और हस्बैंड अकेले ड्राइव कर रहे थे, और हम लोग आफ्टरनून में 2 बजे निकले थे वहां से। तो मैं ऐसा बोल के थोड़ा सा सो रही थी, टेंशन में ही थी कि अभी मतलब कुछ हो ना ऐसे। और अचानक क्या हुआ कि मेरे हस्बैंड को भी नींद लग गई और गाड़ी एकदम मतलब कहीं की कहीं जा रही थी, और मेरे ब्रदर इन लॉ को मतलब ब्रदर इन लॉ जग गए और वो जोर से चिल्लाया, आनंद ये क्या कर रहे हो। और आनंद ने एकदम जोर से ब्रेक मारा और एक ट्रॉली आई, बड़ी सी ट्रॉली जो जिसमें सामान लेके जाते लोग, वो उसने 2-3 बार गाड़ी को हिट किया और हमारा बहुत इतना सीवियर एक्सीडेंट हुआ। पर मैं आपको बोलूं, किसी को भी गाड़ी में बैठे हुए किसी को भी कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, कुछ भी नहीं। हम लोग इतना सेफ थे गाड़ी के अंदर कि मतलब मुझे तुरंत आर्कएंजल माइकल की याद आने लगी कि उन्होंने हमको इतने बड़े एक्सीडेंट में से बचाया। तो मतलब ये एक्सपीरियंस मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकती।
नहीं, इट्स गुड एक्चुअली। सी, एंजल्स और आर्कएंजल्स तभी हेल्प करेंगे जब तक हम उनकी हेल्प नहीं मांगेंगे। आप इन्वोक करो एनर्जीज, आप उनके साथ काम करो, करेक्ट। इफ यू नॉट आस्क, लगता है कि अगर वैसे ठीक है, मतलब किस्मत टचवुड बहुत अच्छी थी, कुछ नहीं हुआ किसी को भी, बट सोचो अगर आज मयूरी का ये बिलीव है कि आर्कएंजल माइकल ने मयूरी को सेव किया, मयूरी की फैमिली को सेव किया, तो इस आर ऑल बिलीफ सिस्टम। हो सकता है अगर मैं किसी चीज में बिलीव ही ना करूं, मैं सोचूं नहीं नहीं मेरा बेटा वैसे ही ले आया होगा, ड्रैगन ने कुछ नहीं किया है, नो। Why this happened at the time only when I prayed and I asked? Because dragons listen to us. Because they are entities, they are around us. When you are sitting in your home also, do you think that you are sitting alone? No, you are not sitting alone. Something or other thing, your guardian angels, your spirit animals, they are around you. They are protecting you. They are watching you. But only thing is, they want you to call them. They want you to ask help. Otherwise they will not.
मैम मैं अभी भी आर्कएंजल माइकल की प्रेजेंस फील कर पा रही हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे इतने सारे गूज़बम्स आ रहे हैं। जब भी मैं आर्कएंजल माइकल को बुलाती हूँ तो मुझे मेरे गूज़बम्स ऐसे रुकते ही नहीं है। तो अभी भी मैं फील कर पा रही हूँ उनका प्रेजेंस आजू बाजू में।
Very good, nice. Somebody asked, you can do for anyone. Somebody asked in the chat, you can do for anyone, but be nice and ethical. That's it. Okay.
I have also one experience of mine.
Yeah, please.
Deepti here.
Yeah, Deepti ji.
जैसे नॉर्मली सारे आर्कएंजल्स वगैरह के बारे में मैंने भी सुना है, बट मोस्टली आई इन्वोक ऑफ द टाइम कि जैसे मुझे कभी डर लगता है, या जैसे फॉर पेरेंट्स प्रोटेक्शन, जैसे कि अभी कोविड भी गया है, तो मोर ऑफ द टाइम जब मैं स्लीप करती हूँ, आई इन्वोक आर्कएंजल माइकल फॉर माय फैमिली, फॉर माय पेरेंट्स फैमिली, टू शावर देयर ब्लेसिंग्स एंड कीप देम सेफ, और क्रॉस द फिंगर, रियली आई ब्लेस कि हाँ यस वो हेल्प करते हैं। एंड सेकेंड एक्सपीरियंस आई हैव एवर सीन कि जब भी मैंने वुल्फ अंकल को, मतलब चाहे छोटी चीज हो चाहे बड़ी हो, चाहे किसी तरह का फेयर हो, मतलब मैंने खुद फील किया है कि मैंने जब भी वुल्फ अंकल को याद किया है एंड स्टार्ट टू चैंट वुल्फ मैजिक बिगिन नाउ, रियली इट्स वर्क, रियली वर्क।
Yes, it works. Nice, good.
Thank
nice
you.
Experiences. Welcome. And even Apoli ji, I don't know, I think yeah, she is there. She's driving. She is going back home. Even she shared her experiences. Which archangel to invoke for business? Archangel. Yeah. Archangel
Ariel.
Yes, Archangel Ariel. Archangel Ariel, Archangel Abantia. Angels is for money. You have to invoke their energies.
Yashika ji, I have a question.
Archangel Ariel. Yeah, A-R-I-L. Yeah, you can. Who is this?
I have a cousin. Her son was appearing for CA for so many times. And he could not clear it. So उसने ये समझ लिया कि to blame his mother for that. And he is not on talking terms with his mother for 2 years. और इस साल भी वो clear नहीं हुआ. तो मैंने जब उनका हॉरोस्कोप देखा तो मुझे उसमें विषयोग मिला था, उन दोनों के बीच
Okay.
विषयोग है। तो हाउ टू करेक्ट दैट? आई मीन आई हैव ट्राइड सो मेनी थिंग्स, बट उनको रुद्राभिषेक बताया था, शंकर जी की पूजा भी बताई, बट हाउ टू करेक्ट दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ एंजल्स कि उनका रिलेशनशिप सुधर जाए?
रिलेशनशिप सुधारने के लिए उनके लिए हम लोग आर्कएंजल चैमुएल को भी कह सकते हैं. whatever differences they are having, just pray to archangel Chamuel. Whatever conflict they are having, whatever misunderstanding they are having, please resolve that misunderstanding, so the mom and son relationship will be fine. And otherwise you can ask Archangel Raphael also, because he's a healing angel. Okay, Archangel, few people think Archangel Raphael is a man, few people think he's a female, so it depends upon your energies, with what energies you are connecting. So there are many archangels and angels. You may think they are female, they are male, so it's up to you what you feel. Okay,
Ma'am,
so you
is
can
it
call
same
upon-
about Archangel Gabriel also? कोई बोलता है कि आर्कएंजल गैब्रियल मेल है, कोई बोलता है फीमेल है.
सेम आर्कएंजल गैब्रियल के लिए भी यही है, बट देयर आर फ्यू, जैसे आर्कएंजल माइकल है, उनके नाम से ही क्लियर है कि वो एक जेंट्स है, मेल एनर्जी है. तो ठीक है, तो देयर आर फ्यू एंजल्स एंड आर्कएंजल जिनके लिए लोग कंफ्यूज रहते हैं. सो इट्स अप टू यू व्हाट एनर्जीज यू आर कनेक्टिंग नाउ. ओके,
And one more thing, I personally आज सेशन में है, तो I would like to thank you. Each and every workshop of yours is magical. आपका होली के टाइम पे हुआ था, आपके बाद उसके बाद भी आपने एक बीच में किया था वर्कशॉप हम लोगों का, जिसमें आपने काफी सारी टेक्निक्स बताई थी लॉस्ट मनी की. आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे कि विद सम अदर रिचुअल्स एंड मंत्रा एनर्जी, मैं मंत्रा एनर्जी वॉर्टेक्स हीलिंग भी करती हूँ, और उसके संग आपके रिचुअल्स के संग, मतलब जिनके 8-8, 10-10 साल से पैसे नहीं मिले थे. मेरा खुद एक बिजनेस में अटका हुआ था पैसा, बहुत लंबा अमाउंट था, 3-3.5 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट था. आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, 1 महीने में पैसे रिलीज हो गए विद इन अ मंथ. एंड मैंने लिखा भी था आपको. एंड थैंक यू सो मच. ईच ऑफ योर रिचुअल, ईच ऑफ योर जो आप टोटकास बताते हो, दे वर्क लाइक वंडर्स. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच.
Vijaya ji, you wanted to say something?
Yes. Ma'am, this archangels and saint, are they different or one and the same? Because I've seen in Facebook.
Archangel Michael
Facebook
is
में
Archangel Michael is different. Saint Expedite is different.
अच्छा, because I've seen in Facebook, मतलब Facebook में से दिखता रहता है ना, archangels, Saint Jude, Saint Expedite. तो actually मुझे इसका कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं है.
Okay, Saint Jude, Saint Expedite, Saint ये almost same ही है, and Archangel Michael is different. Okay. So now we will do emotional detox. I'll mute everyone again. Mute all. Okay. Nobody will unmute before raising hand. You all are good babies. So you all will not unmute yourself without raising hand now. So we will do detox our emotions. And we will do, wait, I'll just take out my bracelets now. So we will detox our emotions and stress first. Now close your eyes, everyone. You can bring energies by rubbing your hands. Okay, now say, dear God and angels, please detox me from stress and all its effects. I ask that starting today, I begin breaking patterns of stress. No longer will I become frustrated, anxious, fearful. Archangel Haniel, Archangel Metatron, Archangel Michael, please make me stress-free, make me happy, clear out all my stress. When you are ready to open your eyes, you can open. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So there are many methods like prayers, essential oils, color therapy, switch words, and healings. So you can just remove the stress or any of the addictions or many more things. Okay, so essential oil to remove the stress. Which oil we can use? How we will be stress free when we are calm? There is a good aroma in home. Our home is neat, clean.
Lavender.
So, very good. Who told this name?
Mayuri.
Very good, Mayuri. So rose, but rose mainly we will use for love. Okay, but now nobody will unmute without raising hand. Be a good babies. Okay, so for calming and for loving ourselves or others, we don't need to be stressful, right? So we can use chamomile oil, we can use lavender oil. And how we can use? We can use in the diffuser like this. Okay, there's a water above, I put the oil, okay, and down candle burning. Otherwise you can put some drops on candle, apply and burn it. Okay, so or otherwise you can apply on your hand, third eye chakra, temples. Okay, you can use this oils. Even on the pillows, you can just drop 1-2 drop on your pillow and just leave it and just sleep. The fragrance will come, your stress level will be less. Just give me 1 second now. So sorry, my candle actually was not burning, so I just burned that. Okay. And what else we can do to relieve the stress, relieve our emotions? We can write it down. We can do journaling. We can do journaling for many things. As many times I give task also in the group. Write this code in the copy or register or paper. Write this affirmations. Right? Why? Because so if you write it, your whatever you are asking for, that you will get it. Okay. So if you want something, you can write it down. If you are worried, you can write it down. Write all your worries. Then what will happen? Things will change and you will experience some miracles in your life. Now you can, how many of you drink tea? Yeah, almost all the hands are raised now. Almost all the hands. I will not raise because I don't drink normal tea. I drink black coffee and green tea. So normal tea I don't drink. Okay. So we can drink herbal teas. We can add, we can bring chamomile trees. Even we can bring dry chamomile. We can add in that tea, not tree, tea and drink it. It will soothe your emotions. You will be fine and you will not be much stressful. You can use the crystals, that is blue lace agate and amethyst, which all can use citrine. Do you know, there are many people, those who are using crystals, they say it's not affecting us, there's no effect. How many of you feel that they are not working for you? Raise your hands like this. Well, I will not raise hand. Tell me. Anyone is feeling like that? If nobody is feeling, then I will not tell. Okay, let me see the other screen. Okay.
Bracelet. Ma'am, I'm wearing bracelet but not working.
Who is wearing? Who is speaking? Let me see first. Sudhaji.
Yeah.
Sudhaji, don't say ma'am, no. वैसे ही आप इतने बड़े हैं. आप याशिका ही बोलो. Okay.
मैं ब्रेसलेट पहनती हूँ, मुझे यूज कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है. मैंने भी निकाल दिया है.
कौन सा ब्रेसलेट पहनते हो आप?
दिखाते हैं आपको एक मिनट.
नहीं, आप मुझे नाम बता दो या कलर बता दो, मैं बता दूंगी. बिकॉज देखिए एमेथिस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल, एमेथिस्ट है, सिट्रीन है, हर किसी का एक अलग अलग काम है, करेक्ट? अगर फॉर एग्जांपल हमें पैसे के लिए चाहिए, हम तब भी एमेथिस्ट पहनते हैं. इफ वी वांटेड टू रिलीव द स्ट्रेस, तब भी हम एमेथिस्ट पहनेंगे. तो एमेथिस्ट को कैसे पता लगेगा कि फॉर व्हाट वर्क दे आर वेयरिंग मी, मुझे क्या काम करना है, मुझे स्ट्रेस कम करना है या पैसा लाना है?
स्ट्रेस कम करना है.
स्ट्रेस कम करना है. तो हाउ वी विल टेल क्रिस्टल्स दैट हमारा स्ट्रेस कम करो? वी हैव टू होल्ड आवर क्रिस्टल्स और ब्रेसलेट व्हाटएवर, we have to hold it in hand and say, when I will wear you, or you can just say, dear God, goddess, archangels, angels related to this crystal, because every crystal belong to some other angel or archangels, okay, belong to this crystal. Please do this work for me. For example, I am wearing amethyst for weight loss, okay, I am wearing amethyst for prosperity. Two things, no other reason. So what I will say, please reduce my weight, bring more prosperity in my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then you have to wear it. That's it.
Ma'am, इसका charging, cleaning and charging.
Who is telling me this? Tell me first.
Rolly Daga.
Wait, let me come. I'll finish it. Now cleaning. Cleansing you do every time on full moon. Okay, that's why I always remind in group. Sometime I miss. Just charge your crystals in full moon energy, so it will cleanse, it will charge. There is a way, like selenite, you cannot wash. Okay, so selenite no need charging or cleansing, because selenite itself is a charging and cleansing crystal, so you don't need to wash it. If you will keep tiger eye with other crystals, it will just cleanse automatically. But whenever you are using some crystal for any of your reason, for example, you are using pyrite or citrine for prosperity or money, you have to tell at the time that I am using you for this purpose. So you have to do this work, correct? When we are sending our kid to school also, we'll always say, na, पढ़ लेना school में जाकर, खेलना ही मत जाओ. Right? First, everyone. So we always tell our kid also, na, and go school. Don't just play with your friends. Study. Why? Our kid know na that going to school I have to study, but then also we are reminding. So crystals, we have to remind that for what purpose we are using. So we have to channelize them. Okay, we are using you for so and so purpose. So सुधा जी आपने क्या करना है, मैंने आपका क्रिस्टल देखा नहीं कौन सा था, तो जो भी आपका ये ब्रेसलेट है, आप एमेथिस्ट ही है आई गेस, पर्पल है ना, आप एमेथिस्ट है, तो आपको अपने हाथ में रखना है और बोलना है, आप जिस भी रीजन से पहन रहे हो, प्लीज आई एम वेयरिंग दिस एंड दिस इज ग्रीन, आई थिंक ग्रीन एवेंचुरिन इज देयर. ओके, सो आपको बताना है कि आप किस पर्पस से पहन रहे हो, एंड देन यू हैव टू वेयर इट. ओके, एंड एवरी ऑल्टरनेट डेज लाइक या 15 दिन में एक बार आप इन्हें रनिंग वाटर में वॉश करो, देन यू विल फील द गुड चेंज विद द क्रिस्टल्स. ओके, नाउ जिनके घर में या दोज हु फील दैट देयर इज so much of stress or negativity is there, so what they can do, they can bring hibiscus in their home, jasmine or lavender flowers. Okay, fresh flowers. It will create a nice good environment in your home. And like this also, like there are, like we always go to gym and nutritions, and they will say, you have a 15 days diet plan. So like this also, angels also have some diet plans which you all can follow. 7 days detox plan, we call that 7 days detox plan. So if you do that detoxification 7 days continuously, then your body will be more fine. Why not even woke up and he's looking at me, that what she is speaking and whom, because he can't listen any noise, so he's thinking, looking at me, what Mumbai is speaking by herself. Okay, so with this workshop is over. You have to do the prayers. If you want this PDF, I will share, and you all can unmute yourself now. And
ma'am, एक question था.
Megha, if I'm
मयूरी.
not wrong. मयूरी, हाँ जी.
मैम, मैं ना टाइगर्स आई पहनती थी, तो मैं जब भी वो एक दिन टूट गया। उसके बाद मैंने जब भी उसको बांधा, मतलब पहनने की कोशिश की, मतलब ब्रेसलेट, तो वो हमेशा टूट जाता है। तो ऐसे क्यों होता है टाइगर्स आई का?
टाइगर आई का काम क्या है?
स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना, हाँ, प्रोटेक्शन। ओके,
दैट मीन्स कि जब भी वो टूट रहा है, पहली चीज धागा कमजोर होगा।
ओके,
अगर धागा अच्छा वाला है, कमजोर नहीं है, दैट मीन्स कि कोई नेगेटिविटी थी वो हटती है। तो यू हैव टू क्लींस देम, चार्ज देम, एंड तब फिर उन्हें दोबारा एंड वेयर इट। मेरा अभी एमेथिस्ट लूज हो रहा है, आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस।
चांदी के तार में भी मैंने उसको बांधा था, वो चांदी का तार
वेट, नो, चांदी के तार में कभी भी कोई ब्रेसलेट नहीं पहनेगा।
ओके,
ठीक है। रीजन इज, अगर आप लोग चांदी के तार में सी चाइनीज, यहाँ पर चाइनीज क्या करते हैं, आई थिंक वो मेरा ब्रेसलेट यहाँ पे नहीं है। जैसे हम लोग इंडिया में बैंगल्स पहनते हैं, राइट, फॉर एग्जांपल ये मेरी बैंगल्स हैं, ठीक है, ऐसे यहाँ पर कड़े आते हैं क्रिस्टल्स के, एंड दे वेयर इट, चाइनीज पीपल हियर, बिकॉज दे बिलीव सो मच इन क्रिस्टल्स। अभी जब भी उनका, इज नॉट क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव, इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव हियर, क्रिस्टल्स वेरी एक्सपेंसिव। लाइक नॉर्मली इंडिया में हमें ब्रेसलेट 400, 500, 600, 800, 1000 तक का मिल जाएगा, 1500 तक का मिल जाएगा। यहाँ पे ब्रेसलेट लेने जाओ आप 3, 3.5, 4,000 से कम का नहीं मिलेगा। ठीक है। तो ये जो कड़े आते हैं वो लोग क्या करते हैं, एक्सपेंसिव, $78, $30 नहीं, नॉट 78, 178, लाइक ऐसे पड़ता है, मतलब 2.5, 3, 4, 5,000 तक का एक कड़ा आता है। वो लोग पहनते हैं नॉर्मली जेड या ग्रीन एवेंचुरिन। वो टूटता है एंड दे विल जस्ट थ्रो इट आउट। क्यों? क्योंकि उनको पता है कि ये कुछ बला थी जो आई थी और टूट गई और खत्म। तो दे डोंट थिंक मच। चांदी के तार में जब आप पहन लोगे तो हाउ यू विल कम टू नो कि कुछ हुआ था, देयर वाज समथिंग बिग, है ना। तो टाइगर आई इसीलिए बार बार टूट रहा है, क्योंकि दे सब टाइगर आई इज प्रोटेक्टिंग यू, ठीक है ना। तो जब भी अगर टूटे तो उसको दोबारा ऐसे ही धागे मंगवा लो, एक रोल मंगा लो, इंडिया में बहुत सस्ते मिलते हैं ये, ऐसे रोल में बार बार पिरा लेना उसे, मतलब जस्ट स्ट्रिंग में कर लेना, ठीक है।
अनन्या जी, एमेथिस्ट के क्या क्या रोल हैं, मतलब किस किस चीज के लिए हम पहन सकते हैं?
एमेथिस्ट आप प्रॉस्पेरिटी के लिए भी पहन सकते हो, वेट लॉस के लिए भी पहन सकते हो, डिप्रेशन के लिए भी पहन सकते हो, स्ट्रेस के लिए भी पहन सकते हो, मल्टीपल है, बट यू हैव टू प्रोग्राम इट, यू हैव टू प्रोग्राम इट, प्रोग्राम करके पहनना पड़ेगा बस। जैसे
इट्स फॉर जॉब आल्सो?
यस,
ओके, all we have to do that programming, we have to just say कि हम इस पर्पस के लिए पहन रहे हैं।
yes,
mom 7 days का detox वो भेज सकते हैं, क्या क्या लेना है?
बिल्कुल भेज सकती हूँ। जो मैंने पीपीटी में तैयार किया है, I will just tell one thing. Well, if somebody wanted to join the complete course advanced, it's a nominal fees 555. In that, more than 20 types of detoxification is there, but that 555 is for those who join the workshops. It's not for everyone. For others, it will be 1111. Okay, and I have the list, those who join. Okay. And
मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछूं?
हाँ मैम, 7 days का डिटॉक्स आप डिटेल्स दे रहे हो, उसके लिए पे करना है?
नहीं, ये मैं भेजूंगी अभी, अल्कोहल वाला एंड इमोशन वाला। ओके, बट इफ somebody wanted to learn the complete course advanced, then they have to
7 days का डिटॉक्स।
हाँ बाबा, same, it's a detox is same, it's a complete PPT, don't worry, I will share. हाँ जी, somebody was saying something.
Ma'am, yes ma'am, Ankita here.
Yeah, Ankita.
I want to share the experience of right now the workshop का जो चल रहा था। मैंने अभी प्रेयर किया। जैसे आपने बताया कि प्रेयर करना चाहिए, भाई मेरे बेटा मेरी बात सुने। I went to call him. He was with his daddy. I said चलो अभी हम रेस्ट करेंगे। He said you go. I don't want to sleep with you. So I came in the room and continue your workshop. And within 5 minutes he came, चलो मम्मा हम रेस्ट करते हैं। So I really am so thankful, and I I'm very, very thankful that he politely talked with me.
It's nice actually. See, okay, now I'm advertising myself. This is a part of my Merlin workshop, this dragon one, okay? This dragon technique is a part of my Merlin workshop, which I didn't conduct till now because I didn't get that guidance to conduct it. There are many wonderful workshops I have, but I don't connect. Like why? Because till I will not get guidance कि मुझे सबको करानी है, I will not do it. This is the reason, like मैं छोटी workshops कराती रहती हूँ. I don't get that कि okay मैं करा दूँ. When I'll get that guidance, I will do it.
Merlin, please कराइए, we will do.
Merlin में क्या है मैम?
नहीं, I will not disclose now. I will disclose later on. But yes, Merlin is a wizard, like a wizard है, मतलब which होती है lady, wizard is a gents. So it's not that he's a bad wizard, he's a good wizard and he works wonderful, very nice. And कुछ लोग सोचते हैं ये जादू टोना टोटका है, but no, जैसे बाकी हमारे angels, guardian angels हैं, ऐसी master Merlin है. But yes, I wanted to tell everyone, maybe many of you did already Merlin workshop with many mentors. Mine is not common. I just wanted to tell this. It's not normal with everybody.
We will wait for it, Yashika.
Yeah,
last weight reduction का कोर्स लिया था जो ट्रिपल 3 का था, वो सिखा सकते हैं क्या? सिर्फ मैंने
That's a healing. That is a healing. Healing you wanted to learn.
या वेट लॉस के लिए वो मेरे ना 5 kg मैंने कम कर दिया. मैं तो 82.5 थी, अब मैं 76 हूँ.
Wow, nice, good, very nice.
Almost
good.
7.5 kg.
Very good, very nice.
चाहती हूँ
Even
weight loss.
I think Ankita is a Rinky's bhabhi or someone, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. She is my sister-in-law.
She's a sister-in-law. Even she reduced weight.
Yeah, and even stress feeling healing is being done by you now for me, and I'm really feeling very good. And even my husband is also feeling good.
Thank you so much.
तो आप
Thank you
किस
so much.
क्लास करेंगे ना वो वेट लॉस हीलिंग सिखाने के लिए?
वेट लॉस हीलिंग अगर किसी ने सीखनी है तो इट्स 1-to-1 ऑल्सो, बिकॉज क्योंकि मैं आई डोंट वांट टू पुट देन ऐड कि भाई सब लोग सीख लो, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मैं सिखाऊंगी, लोग पैसे खर्च करेंगे एंड दे विल नॉट प्रैक्टिस इट, तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट कि मैं
1-to-1 आप कराओगे?
हाँ, मैं करा सकती हूँ 1-to-1. आई डोंट माइंड
उसका एनर्जी एक्सचेंज प्लीज, फिर आई विल बी एबल टू डू इट.
Okay, I will think of it. I will just check, then I will disclose. Okay. So now this
It will be
detox
Zoom,
plans. Yes, it will be via Zoom. Correct.
How many days ना?
One day. One day.
आप मैसेज कर देंगे ना प्राइस एनर्जी एक्सचेंज का वेट लॉस?
बिल्कुल.
यशिका एक क्वेश्चन पूछूं मैं?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल सुधा जी. सुधा जी एक सेकंड. First I wanted to say something to you. I'm really feeling bad from the last time. Still see, I still remember, क्योंकि ग्रुप में इतने सारे लोग हैं कि मुझे ना ध्यान नहीं रहता है, मतलब ध्यान तो रहता है कि कौन कौन है, बट मुझे एक्चुअली लास्ट टाइम जब आई थिंक प्रॉस्पेरिटी रिचुअल के लिए मैंने नेम्स लिए थे तो आपने मुझे टेक्स्ट किया था एंड आई गॉट एनॉयड ऑन दैट डे कि यार मतलब मैंने ग्रुप एडमिन कंट्रोल किया है, मुझे पर्सनल पे एसएमएस कर रहे हैं 500 लोग. सो मैं सुधा जी पे मैंने कहा यार सुधा जी आप वहां लिस्ट में नाम देखिए ना एक बार, तो मतलब मुझे बाद में रियलाइज हुआ कि ओके शी सुधा जी, मतलब मैं किससे बात कर रही थी. आई थॉट कि somebody of my age or maybe little elder, but later on I realized कि यार मतलब she is really very elder and I am talking to her like this. मैंने कहा यार okay I'll just write it down your name. So I'm really sorry, I felt very bad on that day.
चलेगा कोई बात नहीं, मैंने खाली इसलिए पूछा कि मेरे से ये मिस हो जाता है, मेरे को ढूंढना नहीं आता है, इसलिए मैं पर्सनल पूछ लेती हूँ मैं.
इसीलिए मतलब मुझे बाद में रियलाइज हुआ.
मुझे बुरा नहीं लगा, फिर मैंने ढूंढा, बड़ी मुश्किल से ढूंढा,
बट आई फेल्ट बैड, सॉरी. हाँ जी.
मुझे कितना ही ज्यादा मुझे कोई आर्कएंजल मतलब स्टैचू बाय करना है, तो एक कोई ऐसा बताइए ना कि मैं अपने घर में मंदिर में उसे रख सकूं, कुछ ऐसा आर्कएंजल का बताओ ना.
कोई भी रख सकते हैं, कोई भी ले लीजिए जो मन करे, जिनसे आप एक काम करो, जब किसी भी चीज में आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओ, कोई भी, मतलब इट्स फॉर एवरीवन, नॉट फॉर सुधा जी ओनली. फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर कंफ्यूज विद 2 things or 3 things, 4 things, मेक स्लिप, नाम लिखो जो जो चीजें आपको चाहिए, pray to God, dear God, Goddess, Archangels and Angels, please tell me which is best for me, and then shuffle it and just choose one. That will be best for you. Okay? और जब पर्ची खोलने के बाद आपको लगे कि यार नहीं नहीं ये नहीं, मैं एक और बार करती हूँ, then it will be wrong. Okay, the first instinct is correct, not second one. Okay? हाँ जी.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Barkha ji wanted to ask something. Barkha ji.
No, Yashika.
Okay. Jagriti ji, you wanted to ask something? Jagruti Chauhan. Jagruti ji.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Vijaya ji.
Yeah, ma'am, which archangel for studies we need to connect for studies?
Concentration and studies.
Yeah.
For the school kids or for the elders? School going kids.
School going kids.
Archangel Raphael. Ask him to make your kid more and more concentrate on studies and study well. So concentration, because he's a healing angel. So he will do the healing of the mind. Okay. So he will concentrate more, he or she. Okay.
So for both are different, for elders and for kids, both angels will be different. For studies.
Same.
Okay.
Yes, Mahrukh ji.
कौन सा angel रखना चाहिए अपने घर में?
Mayuri, I think I should take one important and one-to-one session with you. Wait.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Mayuri, just one second. Mahrukh ji, you wanted to say something?
Yashika, I feel most of us must be having this problem कि हम जब ये सब angels invoke कर रहे हैं या making altar and all that, there is lot of rejection and negativity from the family members. तो ये सब बीच में ना आए and we can do it very without any negative energies around. उसके लिए हम क्या करें?
Archangel Michael, or otherwise group में I shared many times negative to positive का chant. You can do that for mass people, like for everyone also. That remove all the negative thoughts, energies from so and so person and do it.
They should accept it, what we are doing.
Yes. You have to put the intention. Intention works. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Thank
you. Okay, Mayuri, any other question now? Tell me.
नहीं अभी तो नहीं है, पर आप 1-to-1 सेशन लोगे तो बहुत सारे रेडी रखूंगी.
Okay, Rashmi ji, you wanted to ask something? Yeah.
विश फुलफिलमेंट के लिए कौन सा एंजल, सिर्फ एक एंजल रख सकती हूँ तो कौन सा एंजल बेस्ट रहेगा?
विश फुलफिलमेंट किस तरह की विश है? डिपेंड्स अपॉन दैट.
लाइक जॉब, कैरियर, घर खरीदना.
एक नहीं हो सकते हैं फिर. एक नहीं हो सकता.
कैरियर के लिए बताओ मैम. फॉर कैरियर,
फॉर अब आपका डिपेंड करता है कि आपका फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल की ब्लॉकेज क्या है. मानो सिर्फ अगर फैमिली मेंबर्स अग्री नहीं कर रहे हैं या पढ़ाई का इशू है, देन यू हैव टू सी व्हिच आर्कएंजल इज देयर. एक सेकंड, 29 चैट बॉक्स, जस्ट गिव मी 1 सेकंड. हाँ, okay, emotions. What is emotions? Somebody asked me one question. Okay, emotion, they write it for that. Okay, done. So anybody wanted to ask any other thing? Any questions?
यशिका जी, अपने बिजनेस के लिए, क्लासेस के लिए, प्रॉस्पेरिटी के लिए किस एंजल को बुला सकते हैं हम लोग?
Archangel Ariel, Archangel Abundantia, and yes,
Ariel, Archangel Ariel and
Abundantia, Abundantia.
ठीक है, थैंक यू.
Welcome. Okay, I think I answered all the lemongrass. Somebody write it lemongrass. Lemongrass. Okay, I think I burned it lemongrass here for the calm environment, for my mind relax, and I love this fragrance. That's why. Okay, so any other thing you wanted to ask or share? Anyone? Or we will just wind up the session now. No questions. Very good.
मैम एक सेशन टैरो एक्सपीरियंस के लिए प्लीज मयूरी.
ठीक है. I will just put one advertisement. Those who are tarot card readers, they can join, and we will do one session.
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am. Love you so much.
I have so many experiences, and I have recent experiences. जब रीडिंग करो लोगों के एक्सपीरियंस, यार ऐसा हो गया है, अच्छा ओके ठीक है, हो गया, गुड है.
मैम हमको सुनने को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आपको.
Okay, abhi just I think last week I did reading for one of my client, and she's a group member also in our group. She's unmarried. She asked for the reading of it was a love reading. So she asked me that whether this person will marry me or not, and they were like, it's that person is already married actually. Okay, there is some difference in between husband and wife, third party. So she asked me whether he wanted to marry or not, and I told her the reason. If the person will marry you, what will be the cause why he will marry you? So I told that they don't have baby, and because of baby only this person will leave his wife and marry you. So this thing she come to know after, I think 2 days back. Just give me 1 second. Huh? So now she come to know that yes, the person wanted to marry, and the reason is baby only. There is no other reason. Otherwise, they both are happy. This is one. And I predicted for somebody's baby. I think group second got that, group third got that feedback. I predicted for somebody's pregnancy.
Yes, I know.
Yes.
Read that.
Yeah, so yes, the girl mentioned in the group directly that I am pregnant. And so even she didn't texted me on personal work, she just directly announced in the group that I'm pregnant, and she predicted. I was like, okay, I don't know which month is going on now. And she just texted to 200 and something people in the group that I am pregnant.
सबने congratulation बोल दिया करके. हमने सबने बोला
everybody congratulated her. Yes, everybody congrats her. And I was thinking, why she announced in the group only? But it's okay, it's good. She is happy though she announced it. It's good only. Yes.
हमारी family में खुशी दे रहे हैं ना वो हमें.
That's it. Yes. So this is okay. So now I will not share more experiences now. It's going to be 2 hours. I'll go. I'll play with my kids now.
Yes,
okay.
Ma'am. Thank you.
So you all hope you all enjoy the session. Welcome.
God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Soon we will meet on some other session. I'll plan some other session.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Yashika.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Welcome.
Bye, everybody. Thank you.
Bye. God bless you. God bless everyone. Thank you for joining the session, everyone.
Thank you, Yashika.
Thank you,
Yashika.